Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today we are going to solve find valid pair of adjacent digits in a string problem, which was the first problem in Biweekly Contest 149. So here we are giving a string which contains only digits, and we have to give back the valid pair, which is defined as two adjacent digits in S, such that it should satisfy these two conditions. So the first condition is, let's say we are giving back A and B as a valid pair of digits. Then first condition says that A should not equal to B. Okay, and the second condition says that uh, s should appear exactly as many times as its numeric value. So what this means, let's say we have a frequency hash map which has all the which calculates the frequency of all the digits in the entire string. So let's say we have a frequency map as frequency, and what this second condition says is that uh, a should appear exactly as many times as its numeric value. So frequency of digit A in the entire string should be equal to A as well. So let's say in this string, frequency of this 2 should be 2. So frequency of 2 should be 2. What is this here? So 2 is appearing 2 times. Yeah, that is correct. So for this, I think we have to first figure out the frequency array to check for this second condition. And first condition we can check on the go as well. So let's build the frequency map for this string. So I can see that here 2, 3, and 5 are the present digits. What about their frequency? So 2 is appearing 1, 2 times. 3 is appearing 1, 2, 3 times. And 5 is appearing 1, 2. Okay, so we have this frequency array. I think so we can create this frequency hash map, and then we will check entire string. So we have 2, 5, 2, 3, 5, 3, 3. So to give back a valid pair of digits, and which should be consecutive, we will go through the entire string with size of 2 as a sliding window. So let's say for this first string, we have 2 and 5. Is 2 and 5 are same? No. So first condition is satisfied. What about second condition? So each digit in pair should appear exactly as many times as its numeric value. So what about this? 2 is appearing 2 times? Yes, 2 is appearing 2 times. What about 5? 5 is appearing 2 times. No, 5 should be appear 5 times. So this is not a correct one. So let's go to second. Okay, so here as well we have satisfied the first condition, but not the second because 5 is not appearing 5 times. So let's move ahead. So what about 2, 3? So 2 is appearing 2 times. Yes. Okay, so first condition is 2 is not equal to 3. So first condition is satisfied. What about second condition? 2 is appearing 2 times. Yes, 2 is appearing 2 times. What about 3? 3 is appearing 3 times. Okay, 3 is appearing 3 times. Yes, so this is correct. So both conditions are satisfied. So we will give back this 2, 3. Okay, so first, what we have to do? We have to figure out the frequency array, frequency hash map, and then we will go one by one in the entire string to check if we are satisfying any of these both condition. If we are satisfying both the condition, then we will return this string. Otherwise, if no valid pair exists, then we will just return an empty string. Okay, so that's it. Let's move to coding part now. Okay. So let's see. First, we have to determine the frequency error, and then we will move to second part, which is sliding window to determine the valid pair of digits. So frequency array we can build in Python through inbuilt method, or we can go through entire string one by one through this as well. Okay, so you can build a frequency map through these two methods, but let's stick to the first one, which is more simpler. And now let's go through the entire string to see if we are finding any valid pair of digits. So what was the first condition? First condition was that uh, both the characters should not be equal. So here we can check that through if s of I is not equal to s of I minus 1. See, here we are starting from first position so that we can always satisfy like we can always get the previous character as well. So let's say if this condition and frequency of the first character should be equal to its numeric value. Let's say here we are saying the frequency of 2 should be equal to its numeric value. So this was the string character and we are just converting it to integer. And frequency of the second character as well So this is the previous character should be equal to its numeric value as well. So if these both two conditions are satisfying, then we will just return I minus 1 to I plus 1. So this is the string slicing. So what we are returning here is I minus 1, I and I plus 1. So in Python, this won't be considered as the character in the substring. So from this, this will return I minus 1 and I character. Okay. Let's say if we are not finding this valid pair of characters in the entire string, then we will just return as an empty string. So let's check this solution. Okay. So this was a typo. Let's check about the solution, if this works or not. Okay, so I think this works. Okay, so the time complexity will be O of n, as we are just going through this entire string to build this array, frequency hash map. So this will be two parts. So let's say 2 of O of n as a time complexity and O of n as a space complexity, but we can consider it as O of n. Okay, so this is the solution. So if you got any question or feedback, drop them in the comments. I'm here to learn and share with you. So, all right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.